magic of weather. The magic of weather can be seen in the way it changes the world around us. Sunny days bring warmth and happiness, while rain helps spring grow and help nature alive. When clouds, storm, and rainbow make weather exciting and beautiful. Weather affects our daily life, activities, and even our emotions, making nature feel powerful and amazing. What makes weather change? Weather change because of difference in temperature, air pressure, wind, and moisture in the atmosphere. Heat from the sun warms the earth unevenly, causing air to move and create different weather conditions such as rain, wind, clouds, and storms. The movement of water through the water cycle also affects weather change. Rain. Rain happens when clouds fill with water droplets that fall to the ground. It water plants, fill rivers, and keep the earth fresh and green. Clouds full of water help plants grow, part of the water cycle. How rain helps us? Rain is important for life. It gives us drinking water, help farmers grow crops, and cool the air on hot days. Provide fresh water, help farming, cools the environment. Snow. Snow forms when the air is cold enough to freeze water droplets into ice crystals. These crystals join together to create beautiful snowflakes. Freezing temperature, unique snowflakes cover the ground in white. Fun things about snow. Snow is not only beautiful, but it's also fun. People ski, build snowmen, and have snowball fights during snowy weather. Fun winter activities build creativity in play, bring communities together. Sunshine. Sunshine gives us light to see and warmth to live. It helps plants make food through photosynthesis and keep animals and humans healthy. Give light and heat, help plants grow, improve mood. Staying safe in any weather. Different weather requires different safety steps. Wear a raincoat in the rain, bundle up in snow, and use sunscreen in the sun. The wonder of weather. Rain, snow, and sunshine all play important roles in nature. Appreciating them help us enjoy the beauty of our planet and take care of it. Conclusion. In conclusion, weather wonders such as rain, snow, and sunshine make our world beautiful and unique. Each type of weather plays an important role in nature and affect our daily life in different ways. By understanding and appreciating weather, we can better enjoy and protect the environment around us.